It's October 20th, Tuesday. How did it get to be Vlogtober day 20 already? This month is just flying by. I am off to work. I'm a little later than I would like to be, 7:33 right now. I will definitely get there probably by 7:40. But it's a gray day, 58 degrees, a little warmer than yesterday. I don't know what the high today is supposed to be, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm going into work just for the morning, as I said, per usual. I still having a little trouble with my knee. I think I mentioned this. Yes, I did yesterday. So I am wearing my knee brace, the same knee brace that I got when I was 17. I've had it all these years. I'm putting it on for a little support because I'm still getting a little pulling on the side of my knee. So hopefully that will ease up as the day goes on. It's just making it a little painful to walk sometimes. Bending is a little tricky. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna rain today. It sure looks like it's gonna rain. It is extremely cloudy right now, especially down on this end of town. It's getting a little darker than the part that I just would have filmed. So it has poured rain for a little bit, which I hope it will be a little better later, since I have to be outside with that, doing that deck. Didn't buy anything again. There's nothing for me to get. Nothing yesterday, nothing today. I guess that's good. Don't really need anything, but you know, just tempted. Just being there makes you want to buy something. So I am heading home to see what I can get done for the rest of the day. Look at here, we have a little surprise down here. We have steps, concrete steps. So unless we decide to replace them at some point, we don't need to build concrete stuff. I mean, we don't need to put in cinder blocks. The steps were still here. They were just hidden under the deck. Okay, I am popping on here real quick because I just got a package in the mail. I started to open it and then I realized I could be recording this. These are my shoes I ordered for the wedding, all nicely wrapped in tissue paper with a handwritten note from Miss Elfire. Says, "Hi Naomi, thank you so much for your purchase and for supporting our small business. We truly appreciate you and hope to see you back soon. Stay safe." Isn't that nice? I've bought from them before, one of my favorite companies. That's just so nice to get a handwritten note from an actual company. Okay, little shoe bag. Yeah, I just noticed in their catalog they also have blue metallic shoe, but I'll definitely get more use out of a suede than a metallic. I don't wear much metallics. These are gorgeous. This color, baby blue suede, or not even baby blue. It's like a gorgeous cornflower. I probably should have a light on in here, shouldn't I? Let me go switch my light on real quick. Okay, so there we go. They're pretty. One. They match my tool that came yesterday. I'm just waiting for the lining now to arrive. One. They're cute. Hey guys, I just thought I would pop on here and say goodnight real quick. Fill you in on everything. Showed you my shoes that came today, exciting. And that we found also the steps under the deck, which is fantastic. Also the guy came and fixed the floor in front of our door that was rotted through. Next thing is we are waiting for the delivery of my new door frame. I need to bring down the new door, check and see what kind of hardware it needs. I can't even remember if I think it has glass doorknobs on it. I'm not 100% sure. But we may need to add additional locks or something. I really can't even remember. We'll have to bring it down, take a look at it. It's a beauty. And I have a half-finished object. Ta-da! One sock, all done. Finished the toe decreases tonight. Kitchenered it, woven my ends there, woven my little tail up here. I tried it on. It fits me snug. My sister and I have about the same size shoe. Mine might be a little wider. She's like usually an 8. I'm an 8.5. So my other socks fit me like a little looser. I wear them around the house. This one fits more like a commercial sock on me, so it's really snug. So this one should fit her better than I had initially made it. But look at the colors. Isn't that cool? It's a nice gradient. Very different. So I'm hoping, there's a kitty going in my knitting bag here, in my project bag. Stop. Stop. So I've just cast on sock 2, and he's biting the yarn. And I am just about to start. This is a 1x1 rib. Stop with the yarn. Cats and yarn, it's a classic. Do you want to say hi, Theodore? I'm too busy washing your face now. Say hello, Theodore. Say hello. No. No. It's not. Doesn't want to talk right now. Anyway, I'm debating whether I will go lay in bed and work on this or put this aside for till tomorrow and take what's left, my mini that I have left here, and work this into my crochet scrappy granny stripe. All the projects I've done so far, I have of sock weight yarns I have been putting in my granny stripe blanket, and it's only about that big so far, so I've got a long ways to go with it, but I love working on that. It's so cool how it just evolves. So I'm tempted to start working this in, but I do need to work up the next sock. We'll see. I also have to edit this video and get it up tonight. So, back to work again for me tomorrow morning. Just for a few hours, come home, and I think tomorrow I'm going to have to make some room in the sewing room just for me to be able to work in there and get going on laying out the pattern, cutting out the pattern, doing the mock-up of my bodice, checking the fit on that before I go forward and start cutting out my dress. I also have to lay out the skirt pieces and see if I'm going to be able to fit it on my fabric, because if I can't, I'm going to have to find alternative fabric. I have ordered some static cling-free acetate lining. That hasn't arrived yet, but I think it'll be here this week. And then I need to check my zipper stash to make sure I have one. It uses like a 20-inch. It asks for an invisible, but I don't like them, so I probably will just alter that. No big deal. And so that's probably what I need to work on tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. I feel like I got a lot accomplished today with tearing down that deck. My son did the majority of it. My knee is still bothering me some, but he did an excellent job. So, very thankful that that is down, and those steps, to find steps when that's what I wanted and was gonna have to have done. These are very excellent condition concrete steps. That's all I need. And we have from the deck, straight off from the deck, where the door was leading out toward the carport, there are all large flagstone pathway, which all that does is split up our yard into 2 halves. So the goal is to take those flagstones, work them up out of the ground, and move them closer to the house where the deck was to make a flagstone patio. And if we don't have enough, there are some places around here where you can get flagstone. So that's a plus. So many projects going on, sewing, house construction, it's crazy. But that's going to be it for me tonight. I'm going to go edit this together, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, give me those thumbs up likes, give me some comments. I love hearing from you guys. And if I haven't replied to yesterday's comments yet, I think I didn't. I just gave maybe hearts. So I will definitely respond to you guys. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good evening.